behind me is the brand new 2019 Kia Stinger GTS 3.3. It may look similar to the previous car, but exhaust wise there's quite a few differences, and owner Mo has brought it down today for the first fit of our system on a new GPF car. I'll take you underneath, I'll show you the differences in the exhaust and how we get the sound we get out of it. So working from back to front, we've got our boxes with Helmholtz resonators. These knock out the drone when you're at very low throttle inputs or cruising speeds, but still allow some of the bass through when you're asking the car of it on the throttle. So it means that when you're around town, you still get that presence and feeling of power without it being too overbearing when you're on a long journey. Resonated center section, again, just take some of those frequencies out as they sit right under your bum, so that helps with that. Then in the middle we've got our balance pipe center section. This allows the gases to really mix between both banks, so you start hearing a robust V6 note rather than the sort of out of phase 2 bank of 3 sound that you hear on the stock system. Now as we move towards the front here, this is where you get one of the biggest difference on these new 2019 cars. This here is the stock gasoline particulate filter section of the original car. Horribly restrictive and robs it of the sound. The QuickSilver has these resonated silence GPF deletes. They give it loads of tone without being too intrusive or obnoxious on volume, and they really help uncork the performance. The whole system is also stepped up in bore, and we've got much smoother bend lines for the ultimate performance and feedback.